Hey guys, we have an RS5 Audi. We end up installing the black view dash cam. If you can see, all the wires are hitting. You're not going to see anything. And as far as the back cam goes, there it is back there. I'm going to step out real quick and show you how we ran the wire. And this is the idea of installing these dash cam in these exotic cars, or any car. It's to do the installation that you don't have anything to your cigarette lighter right there. Everything comes through here and it goes to the fuse box. Everything is professional. You don't see any wires anywhere. And then as far as the back goes, we have to come through here, go inside this rubber boot, which is a nightmare. This part right here alone. Some cars that can do this back here within 10-20 minutes, but this thing took at least 45 minutes. It was a lot harder than I thought to come out through here, and we've been doing this for a bunch of years. We've been doing alarms since 1987, installing dash cams ever since they came out, but this thing was a toughie. So I had to come through here, and this molding here to take it off was a nightmare. And you know, the idea is to have no wire. We didn't want to have what we see all the time, a wire like this. Definitely that wasn't going to look right. Or even coming out of here and going like this, it wasn't going to look right. So we had to, to make this job look like it came with the car, you have to go through this rubber boot and take off this thing and this part right here a little bit. We have all the rods and everything, the fish rods, that we can fish everything without taking as little as panels as possible. That's how we do it. Basically, we try to do it without taking any panels off too much, because we want to make sure that a lot of these cars, if you're not careful removing panels, the little clips can break. We do carry extra clips all the time in case one does accidentally break. I can put a new one in it. It's a little challenge. Some dash cams are a lot quicker. This one took probably like an extra hour. And that's pretty much it. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.